Hi, and welcome to section 3 on deep neural networks. In this section, we are going to look at understanding a simple neural network, concepts in neural network, working with deep neural network, and an example on classifying images using neural network. In the first video from this section, understanding simple neural networks, we are going to look at what is a neural network, what is deep neural network, and what is the advantage of using deep learning. A neural network is defined as a computing system made up of a number of simple, highly interconnected processing elements which process information by their dynamic state response to external inputs. What this means is a neural network is made up of smaller computational parts which is then responsible to learn from the input data. Artificial neural networks, also called as ANNs, are modeled after the neurons in our brains. Let's look at this diagram over here. This is the typical structure of a neural network, which has an input layer, which takes in your input data, a hidden layer, which does processing and learns from the data, and the output layer, which outputs the final result. A deep neural network is nothing but a neural network in which there are more than one hidden layers. Now let's look at one of the major advantage of deep learning. When we look at this graph over here, this is the graph of how the training algorithm performs with increase in the data. Here you can see that the traditional algorithm starts to flatten out even though we keep on giving it more training data. Whereas in the case of deep neural networks, as you keep increasing the complexity of the network, the performance increases with more training data. In this video, we got an introduction to neural network.